Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I actually have a new part for a Civic. But it's actually one of those rare glass spoilers that sit on the top. We'll see when it's on. I actually don't know a lot about this. The guy I got it off of, he sold it to me for $50 on eBay. They go around like around 100-ish area, brand new. So the fact that I was able, score this for $50 and it actually fit my car was pretty cool. So yeah, so the way it's actually held on, it's double-sided tape all around. So honestly, this guy, he did say it's been sitting in his toolbox for a while, so I have to go around, clean off the previous double-sided tape, and actually I have some Goo Off, which is like some variant brand of like Goo Gone or something like that. I have some gloves because, whenever I'm removing double-sided tape when, using adhesive removal, it does get a bit messy. And I do have new double-sided tape that I'm going to be putting on. Holds up to 30 pounds. Obviously, it's way bigger. So what I'm going to be doing is probably trimming it half a little bit around the edges, or I might actually just have it, stay like that to kind of ensure that it goes, sticks onto my rear windshield. Last thing I would want is to be driving and lose this on the highway. So definitely not fun if to lose that. Worst comes to worst, if it starts lifting, I'll take it to the shop I work at and properly do it. So when I mean properly, like I'll fully clean it off with adhesion remover, put adhesion promoter on it, and have some easier stuff to work on it, if that makes any sense. Whereas here I kind of have just a double-sided tape and kind of hope that it sticks. So let's go. So shout out to my girlfriend. She has been an absolute biggest supporter of everything I've been doing recently. She was actually the one who bought me this piece. She actually was the one who also bought me my DC Sports header and also helped me buy some of my gram lights. The way I bought, the story behind my gram lights is the 18 by 8.5 that are in the front. I bought off some guy $300, brand new, never mounted before. The guy actually came out to me. He was like, $300, it's all yours. Came with the boxes and everything, and I kind of was like, since I already have two, might as well buy the other two. And so I didn't want to get another pair of 8.5s because I didn't want, for it to look all sunken around. So that's why I did go with the 18 by 9.5s in the rear, but she actually went half on it with me. And so she has been an absolute great supporter of everything I've been doing and have been helping out a lot with the channel. So yes, she is my #1 supporter. I'm really thankful for her. So I'm actually going to be setting up right now too. Also, I want to get my gloves on, hopefully put some things down so I won't make a fully mess in my room. Another thing too, these are one of the zipper up hoodies that I've been making. I never officially sold my hoodies. I officially only been posting shirts for sale that I've been making. So if you guys are watching this and you want to buy a hoodie, just hit up Hennessy Detail. Hoodies are going to be for sale for $35. Long sleeve t-shirts are $30 and t-shirts are $25. I do make everything myself and I do ship them out. I have shipped to 2 other states so far, North Carolina and Florida. So, it's a bit of a hassle, but, whenever small businesses, anything can help. So, yeah.
I need to talk to you about a thing that is worrying me. We are a little lost. I don't know what is going on.
Alright guys, so here it is, all cleaned up. One of the key tips on working with any panel that gets double-sided tape is you must have a clean panel. That just ensures the best adhesion overall, and make sure it stick. Especially for this instance, I don't have any adhesion promoter, so make sure it's all cleaned off. And one of the key tips for another proper adhesion and make sure that it sticks is you want to stretch out your double-sided tape as much as you can without fully stretching it. You just want to make sure that it lays nice and flat evenly above your thing. You don't want any bunches or anything. So for right here, I might have to cut like a little slit at an angle, therefore like both strips sit nicely well. And then yeah, so I'll see you guys when I put the double-sided tape on, and hopefully you can finish this up pretty soon.
For that reason, questions are perpetually passing over from philosophy into science. As knowledge.
Okay, so here it is guys, it's all cleaned up properly now, and I have it all taped up. So what I actually did meanwhile was clean my rear windshield. I'm actually going to go heat up my rear windshield too, therefore that when we apply this, it's onto some heat, so some of the adhesion off the back can work its magic. So I'm gonna go do that now, and then we'll be sticking this on, and hopefully it sticks on nicely and there's no problems. Hopefully I can get the NVIDIA N1 soon, the catback exhaust system. Hopefully.
Follow me, empty faces I can't reach. Dream away until it's gone again. Oh no, not again. Fall away until it's gone again.
So there it is guys, the spoiler is now on. It actually is the next day. It got too dark so I couldn't film, but I'm actually pretty happy on how it is. I did clean underneath it before I placed it, because I know that if I were to place it on and it's still dirty underneath, it would just be a pain in the butt to clean. So yeah, it's on. I love the way it looks. I actually want to get the hybrid spoiler now and modify that on, well, fabricate that on, just clean it up a little bit, kind of make it look more sleeker. The hybrid taillights have like a triangle section that sits right here, and I was thinking about just kind of getting rid of that section and kind of have it sit flushly, but only time could tell. Still looking for a hybrid that's parting out, hopefully find one soon. But this is the way it looks. It really adds a little more depth to the back. I'm actually selling my Borla pretty soon to somebody, so hopefully that could help me get the NVIDIA N1 catback. I have found a rear lip for my bumper that's actually discontinued. For some reason, the lips for the 9th gen Civics, you can't find them on eBay or Amazon. Icon Motorsports was known for them. They stopped making them, so I'm in the middle about it. The person lives in New Jersey, so we'll see. I actually wanted the SI rear bumper, so I'm in the middle. I'm trying to find someone who's willing to get rid of a SI rear bumper for dirt cheap. Doesn't matter if it's a different color or whatsoever. I'll paint it myself to paint match my car. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and enjoyed those cinematics. I felt like I got a lot better with those. So like, comment, subscribe, take care, and see you in the next one.